Hey there guys, Abner's Reviews here, back with another unboxing, and today we have this Intex Jumbo Ball. So that is the Intex Jumbo Ball right there. As you can see on the picture, that's how it looks like. We have the Intex branding on top. And for the measurements, this is 42 inches or 1.07 meters.
Perfect.
Again, some international representations for Intex and this product right here. So let us continue with our unboxing. There you go guys, I couldn't stretch it even more because of the hugeness of this ball. So it comes with this Intex regular patch. So these are for accidental punctures to the ball since it's really huge. So we can use this patch. As you can see, it's really huge right here. And those are the prints. There are circles, blue circles, purple ones, pink, yellow, green. It's really colorful, and also the print is over a again transparent vinyl material.
Perfect.
So this will be a transparent ball with prints all over them. Those prints meaning these circles. Okay, so let's fill it up with air.
Wow!
So there's our ball right there, the jumbo ball from Intex, all inflated right there. As you can see guys, it's really big. It's really 42 inches in diameter, and it has colorful printed circles right there with different colors, and it's transparent as well. So you can see the intake on top right here, and if you zoom out, there you go guys, that's a big ball. That's 42 inches in diameter. So there you go guys. Do not forget to like and comment on our video, and if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to Abner's Reviews. Do not forget to click the notification bell so you'll get notified when we upload another video. Also follow us on our social media links right here. That's been it. This is Abner's Reviews. Now we'll catch you guys on the next one.